Want to know how to get more effects or browse for more effects in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application. And now once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. And once you're under this interface, getting effects is super simple. So on the top, you should be seeing various navigation bars. Just simply select effect right here. And here you should be saying get more effects, that will be right below, right, real-time effects. So once you've selected get more effects, you should be directed to an external browser or your default browser from your computer. And you should be directed to the official Audacity website. And here you should be seeing various plugins that are featured. You can see the free ones as well and paid ones as well. You can just simply select it and then select install right here and you're good to go. And that's it, super simple and easy. This is how you browse and add new features or new plugins in Audacity. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.